If you spend a lot of time in your car, these smart gadgets can make your driving experience much easier and more comfortable. From clever organizers to useful tech that solves everyday problems, today I'm showing you some of the most smart and useful car gadgets you can get right now. You can check all the gadgets with the link in description. Let's get started.
Have you ever been stranded with a dead battery? It's the worst. Meet the A3 car jump starter. This isn't just a jump starter. We're talking 3,000 amps of peak power. It can fire up almost anything, from your car to a big truck, even a motorboat. It's also a 150 psi superfast tire inflator. One charge is enough to inflate tires for your car. It's a 5-in-1 lifesaver. Use it as a power bank to charge your phone and a 400-lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes. Don't get caught unprepared. This is the ultimate tool for your trunk. Check the description below. Tymate tire pressure monitoring system. Your peace of mind on the road. It gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature, monitoring from 0 to 87 psi. It's waterproof, dustproof, and handles high-low temps. Plus, the sensors are anti-theft. Charging is easy with both solar power and USB. The large auto backlit screen is easy to read, day or night. Safety first. It has 5 alarm modes to instantly warn you about fast leaks, high or low pressure, high temperature, and sensor battery voltage. It literally guards your driving safety. It's perfect for your RV, SUV, sedan, MPV. On a long road trip, keep your tires perfectly balanced and your drive safe. Link in the description.
If you travel with your dog in your car, this gadget is a must-have. This dog back seat cover protects your car from muddy paws, fur, scratches, and spills. It features a waterproof multi-layer fabric that keeps your seats completely safe even after messy outdoor adventures. The smart hammock design attaches to both front and back headrests, creating a secure space so your dog doesn't slip or jump into the front seat while driving. Installation takes less than a minute, and when it gets dirty, you can simply wipe it or toss it in the washing machine. So if you love road trips with your pet but hate cleaning your car afterwards, this accessory is definitely worth checking out. Ever had your car break down or seen those ominous warning lights pop up right when you're in a hurry? Meet the Goloo DS100. It's a mini, convenient, and incredibly smart car diagnostic tool that fits right in your pocket. Simply plug it in, connect to the app, and get a full vehicle health check in seconds. From the engine to the airbags, the DS100 identifies any issues, so you'll know exactly what's going on. The DS100 can also handle minor malfunctions, allowing you to reset codes and safely drive to the nearest repair shop. Don't let car trouble ruin your day. With the Goloo DS100, you're always good to go. If you want your car to look truly clean, don't ignore the wheels. This wheel cleaning brush is designed to remove stubborn dirt and brake dust from rims and tires. The soft but durable bristles easily reach between spokes and tight corners without scratching the alloy wheels. Unlike regular cloth cleaning, a wheel brush allows deep cleaning of tire grooves and rim edges where most dirt builds up. Just apply wheel cleaner or shampoo, scrub with the brush, rinse with water, and your wheels will look almost brand new. It's a small tool, but it makes a huge difference in your car's overall appearance. Driving in summer can be extremely uncomfortable, especially when your back starts sweating. That's where this ventilated seat cover comes in. It comes with built-in fans that circulate cool air through the seat, helping reduce heat and sweat during long drives. Ventilated seats are designed to improve comfort and reduce fatigue on long journeys by keeping your body cool. Just plug it into your car's power outlet, place it on the seat, and you instantly get a cooler and more comfortable ride. If you drive daily in hot weather, this simple gadget can make a huge difference.
This wide-view clip-on rear-view mirror that promises to completely change your driving experience. The biggest benefit? Blind spots are history. As you can see, it dramatically increases your field of view compared to a standard mirror. This means you see more lanes, more traffic, and most importantly, more of what's behind you. And yes, it gives you a much clearer view of the whole back window. It uses a universal clip-on design, which means no tools required. It literally takes less than 30 seconds. This is a simple, affordable upgrade that instantly improves safety and visibility in any car. You can the product with the link in description. It's the ultimate windshield sunshade, your defense against damaging UV rays and scorching heat. Installation is simple. Just place the sunshade to the windshield and pull down your visors for extra support and a perfect fit. Made with durable 240T premium polyester, guaranteeing a snug fit on virtually any car. Keep your car cooler, protect your dashboard from fading and cracking, and make every ride more comfortable. And for the convenience, it comes with a storage pouch. Click the link below to get yours and beat the heat today.
Is your trunk a disaster zone? It's time to trade the chaos for the Fordham Trunk Organizer. It's built for the long haul with rigid base plates that won't collapse and adjustable dividers so you can customize your space for groceries, gear, or tools. No more sliding. With heavy-duty tie-down straps and anti-slip strips, your stuff stays exactly where you put it, even on those sharp turns. You get 11 side pockets for quick access to small items and a removable privacy cover to keep your valuables out of sight. Grab yours today and finally take back your trunk. Fordham. Going the extra mile.
That's the list. Every single one of these is linked in the description below. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech and car finds. Safe driving!